here's a key question that we answer for organizations around the U.S. and for sales executives who manage sales forces around the U.S. Why is it that some salespeople with the same amount of skill and knowledge overperform while others with the very same knowledge and skill sets underperform? We know the answer, and it's one or more of 4 different crucial criteria that determines whether a commission salesperson is going to struggle hitting their monthly numbers or crush their monthly numbers. I'll review them in the order of importance. Number 1, prospecting motivation. This is how much gas do you have in your tank? How much willingness do you have to build your business, be visible to folks that can tell you yes or no, be insulated emotionally when you hear the word no, and then have the ability to continue on and be driven, be passionate about what you're doing? That's number 1. Number 2 is prospecting goal level. It's great if you've got adequate gas in your tank. Now, what is your destination for all of that energy and all of that focus and willingness? Prospecting goal level is so important. It really, when you look at it, actually will determine whether someone has ambitious, clear-cut, focused goals along with a plan of action. Goals without no plan of action are wishes, they're dreams. It is basically mediocrity right in front of you when you have a salesperson who has that, or in fact, doesn't have that. The third most important category is what is the level of fearlessness? When salespeople are fearless, all of a sudden they can gravitate to a huge, expansive comfort zone, and all of the things that are at their disposal as far as ways to reach out and be visible with people that can help them with driving their numbers, they are wide open to trying all of those different methods, strategies, tactics. Now, when somebody's full of fear, which about 80% of salespeople have enough fear of building their business, reaching out to prospects, doing a good job of following up, when they've got those fears, their career is held hostage. It's almost like they're trying to be successful and they've got 2 hands wrapped behind their backs, and it's just not a fair fight. The fourth most compelling and crucial thing that determines whether someone is going to be a superstar crushing their numbers or someone that's striving for mediocrity and falling short is what's their openness to coaching. Are they open-minded to hearing new tactics that could help them? Or do they feel that they already know it all? Do they feel that they know as much, if not more, than their manager? Trust me, you've seen those people. Those people march to a different drummer, to use an old adage. But that's the fourth most crucial attribute, if you will, to someone who can be a top performer, crush their numbers, be a person that you want representing you, in fact, being someone that you want to clone. So a quick review. Motivation, that's willingness, that's gas in the tank. Goal level, are they clearly spelled out? Are they ambitious? The third most important category, fearlessness. And then the fourth, am I open-minded to coaching? There you have it. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. By the way, if you feel some of those things are lacking in your folks, we can help you, and our work is guaranteed. If you haven't already, please hit subscribe. And if you've enjoyed this video, please be sure to like and share.